How to fix profile and tag in on your Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to control your tagging or how to fix your profile and tagging on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down and click on profile and tagging. Now you can fix those information or can see your post you are tagged in on your Facebook, or when you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to their audience of the post if they can't already see it. And now you can control this information on your Facebook. You have a review tags, people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook, and turn on or off those options to control it. So this is, guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.